Okay guys, I'm going to go to a scruff. It's quite a simple question, but it's all in the way of the scruff. So let me flick that on, and it's for Shay. Salute to you. Do you have a rule when in a zone, for example, red zone, golden eye, fib level, counted as broken? I often wait for a 15-minute close above below. How do I personally handle it? Okay. How do I put this? It's not a rule as such. I'm looking at time periods, and I prefer to see the price at what is an area of interest. In this case, the red zone. I like it to bounce off a fib level. But yes, I like to see a close above it. But I also have a 5-candle count back where I'll count 5 candles back when it's in, and that'll tell me the optimum point. So if it's a fractal, it's above the middle point, above or below, depending on direction. If it's in a range, again, I'll be looking for the break of the range, and I'll be able to put a pending order on that. And the way the 5 candles work is very simple. The candle that's in play is telling me the sentiment of the moment. The 3 behind it is the rolling 15 minutes to show me a fractal. And then the last 5th one is where it came from, i.e. did it come from a buying sentiment or a selling sentiment? And it gives me an idea of what's happening in the moment. And then as long as I've done my analysis correct, I'll just go market. Because getting into market is the easiest thing in the world. It's what you do after and before it. Now, before it, I've already done the analysis. I know what the direction is. I know the zone that I'm going to be working in. I know what target that I'm after. And I also know where my stop placement will be. In other words, how much it's going to impact the account. Once I've entered the market, I will then make certain my box of pain is in place. And then I'll be able to measure out the distance that I'm prepared to go to. And again, because I break trades, that reduces the exposure, increases the upside, and everything is planned out before I've even thought about going to market. So the actual getting in is the least of my problems. I don't think about that at all. It's only 5-10% of what I do. And then what you see on YouTube, etc., you're only really seeing 5% of the trade, which is just the execution. So hope that helps. Catch you soon.